Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's front bumper for Chevy's 07 to 13 Silverado. Step 1. Remove your existing front bumper. We show how to do this in another video, linked below. Step 2. Begin installing the winch bracket. Place it onto the frame rails and begin loosely securing it with the factory hardware. It will need to be shifted later. If you have a winch, install it at this time. Step 3. With the help of a friend, begin loosely installing the bumper onto the winch bracket with the included bolts, washers, and nylock nuts with an 18 and 19mm socket and wrench. Center and adjust the brackets and bumper before tightening all the bolts and nuts down. Step 4. Tighten all four 12mm bolts on each side with an 18mm wrench. We suggest trimming your forward mud flap at the base of your vehicle's body. And you're done.